Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will look into biology top 30 MCQs. These MCQs are relevant for the government exams. Let's start with question number 1. Question number 1, who first invented bacteria? So the correct option among the following will be, correct option is option A, that is Leeuwenhoek. So he was the person who first invented bacteria. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 2. Plants which are grown in saline soils are, so the plants which are grown in saline soils means where there is no availability of water, those plants are known as xerophytes. So correct option is option A, that is xerophytes. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 3. How many bones are there in a human body? So in a human body there are total 206 bones. So the correct option will be option B, that is 206. Now let's move to question number 4. Mosquito cannot be a vector for which of the following diseases? So there are various diseases which are caused because of the bite of mosquito. Famous example is malaria. So among the following, the correct option will be option number D, that is Kala Azar. So Kala Azar is not caused because of mosquito, it is caused because of protozoa. So D is the correct option, that is Kala Azar. Now let's move to question number 5. A deficiency of which one of the following minerals is most likely to lead to an immunodeficiency? So the correct option will be option number D, that is copper. So our body requires different types of minerals. So due to deficiency of copper in our body, it can cause immunodeficiency. It means that your immune system can become weak. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 6. Human body's main organ of balance is located in. So the correct option will be option number B, that is top part of vertebral column. So with the top part of vertebral column, the human body is balanced. So the correct option will be option D, that is option B, that is top part of vertebral column. Now let's move to question number 7. The milk is transformed into the curd by, so it is transformed into curd by a bacteria. The correct option is option number C, that is lactobacillus. So lactobacillus is a bacteria which transform milk into curd. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 8. The study of dendrology is associated with, so in science there are different fields, and the study of those fields is related to a particular name. For example, biology means the study of the living beings. So similarly, the study of dendrology is associated with, correct option is option number C, that is shrubs. So the study of shrubs is known as dendrology. So shrubs are small plants. So the correct option will be option C, that is shrubs. Now let's move to question number 9. Which of the following is a major source of sugarcane? So among the following, the correct option will be option number C, that is sugarcane. So sugarcane is a major source of sugar. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 10. Itching due to insect bite is caused by, so sometimes if you have noticed that whenever an insect bites you, there is a itching in that area. So it is just because of the release of an acid, which is, the correct option is option A, that is formic acid. So because of the release of formic acid, there is an itching in that area. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 11. Genetics deals with, so genetics is the branch of biology where we study about genes, chromosomes. So these are the substance which carry the hereditary materials. So genetics deals with, the correct option is option D, that is heredity and variations. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 12. Which of the following is a viral disease? So disease which are caused by virus is known as viral disease. Famous example is COVID-19. And among the following, the correct option will be option number A, that is smallpox. So smallpox is caused because of virus, and it is a viral disease, means it can be spread from one person to another person. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 13. The lichen is formed through the mutual combination of which two species? So in this earth there are various species which live in a symbiotic manner, wherein one species is dependent on the other species. For example, lichen is a good example where it is a symbiotic association of fungi and algae. So the correct option will be option number C, that is fungi and algae, where algae provide food to the fungi and fungi provide shelter to algae. So they both form a substance which is known as lichen. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 14. The litmus paper used in the chemical laboratories is made up of. So they are made up of, the correct option is option C, that is they are made up of lichen. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 15. Photosynthesis occurs in. So photosynthesis occurs in, the correct option is option C, that is it occurs in chloroplast. So C is the correct option. It contains a pigment which is known as chlorophyll, and through that pigment only photosynthesis occurs. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 16. Who propounded the theory of evolution? So the famous theory of evolution is propounded by, correct option is option B, that is Darwin. So the full name is Charles Darwin. So Darwin is the person who propounded the theory of evolution, and this is the most famous theory related to the heredity and variations also. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 17. Which among the following is the largest monkey? So among the following, the correct option will be option number B, that is baboon. So baboon is the largest monkey among the following, and this question was asked in the BPSC exam, so that's why this question is included here. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 18. Which of the following is not found in animal cell? So among the following, the correct option is option A, that is cell wall of cellulose. So cell wall which is made up of cellulose is not found in animal cell. Cell wall is found in plant cell. So A is the correct option in this question. Now let's move to question number 19. Which of the following vitamin is used like a hormone? So the correct option will be option number D, that is vitamin D is used like a hormone. So D is the correct option, and due to lack of vitamin D it causes scurvy. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 20. How many chambers are there in a human heart? So in a human heart, so there are total 4 chambers. So the correct option is option B, that is 4. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 21. The longest living tree is. So among the following, the correct option will be option number B, that is sal. So sal is the tree which is the longest tree among the following. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 22. Which of the following causes pollution in Taj Mahal? So as you all know that Taj Mahal is getting damaged just because of pollution, and it is because of, the correct option is option D, that is acid rain. So because of acid rain there is a severe damage in the Taj Mahal structure. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 23. The opium is extracted from which part of the plant? So the opium is extracted from, the correct option is option D, that is flower. So from the flower part opium is extracted, And opium has many medicinal use. Also, it is used in making drugs and other substances. So the correct option is option D, that is flower. Now let's move to question number 24. Which of the following is a plant hormone? So among the following, the correct option will be option number D, that is oxytocin. So oxytocin is a type of plant hormone. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 25. The word gene was firstly used by. So gene is a substance which is there present in the chromosome, and chromosome is present in the nucleus of the cell, and they carry the genetic materials, basically the DNA, which carries certain traits of the parents. So the word gene was firstly used by, correct option is option D, that is Johnson. So the full name is Wilhelm Johnson. So he was the person who first used the word gene. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 26. Which of the following gas is not the part of vehicle pollution? So through vehicle pollution is a major cause of air pollution, and various gases are released in this vehicle pollution. But among the following, hydrogen is not a part of vehicle pollution. So the correct option is option A, that is hydrogen. So it is not a part of vehicle pollution. Now let's move to question number 27. The thickest human skin is of. So the correct option is option number B, that is sole. So sole is the toe portion of the leg, and that is the most thickest human skin. So B is the correct option, that is sole. Now let's move to question number 28. Which of the following instrument measures blood pressures? So the correct option will be option number D, that is sphygmomanometer. So it is the instrument which measures the blood pressure, that is BP. So the correct option is option D, that is sphygmomanometer. So the correct option is option D. Now let's move to question number 29. The only snake which forms the nest is. So the correct option will be option number B, that is king cobra. So king cobra is the only snake which forms the nest. So B is the correct option. So the correct option is option B, that is king cobra. So whenever you see a nest, don't just think that it is of a bird, it can be of a king cobra. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to the last question of this video. Question number 30. The blood purification process takes place in. So in humans, the blood purification process takes place in. Correct option is option A, that is lungs. So the oxygen, there is the process where blood gets purified, and then it is transferred to heart, where heart pumps the blood, and then through veins it gets spreaded through the entire body. So A is the correct option, that is lungs. So lungs has that process where where in this organ where blood is purified. So A is the correct option. So this was all regarding the biological top 30 MCQs. So I hope that you like the video. Do subscribe the channel and please press the like button. Thank you.